I'm so hungry. I can either eat 4 tomatoes or 1 orange. But which will be more food? And I don't like peels, even on tomatoes. What am I going to do?
Don't you worry, child. I'll tell you all about spheres.
All we need is paper, pencil, calculator, knife, ruler, and your spheres.
Go.
Got it.
A sphere is a non-polyhedron, which means it has circular sides. The peel has to do with surface area, and the amount of food you are eating has to do with volume. Spheres don't have a lateral area because they don't have a base.
How do you find the surface area?
The formula for surface area is 4 pi r squared.
Where does that come from, and what does the R stand for?
The formula comes from the great circle of a sphere, and the r, well, that's the radius of the circle.
What's the great circle?
That's the largest circle that can be made when you cut a sphere. This is the great circle. The area of the great circle is pi r squared. And it takes 4 of them to cover the sphere, so the formula is 4 pi r squared. So we have 4 great circles. The diameter is 3.5. Therefore, the radius would be half of that.
So the surface area must be 4 pi 1.75 squared.
That's right. That means the surface area is 38.48 inches square. Now do the same thing with a tomato.
Since I have 4 tomatoes, I will multiply it by 4 to get that means the tomatoes will have more skin for me to peel than the oranges. That's a lot of peeling.
But we still don't know which one will be more filling. On to volume.
I'm really hungry.
Hold on, we just have to do 4 over 3 pi r cubed. We even use the same radius.
So the volume for oranges will be 22.45 inches cubed, while the volume for all 4 tomatoes will be 16.76 inches cubed. So the orange will fill me up more and have less to peel. Perfect. Now I can eat.
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere.